HAKLMNOPQRSTUVWXYZ. Here it is my breakfast foods. A is for apple slices. A is for avocado toast. A is for apple muffin. Here it is my breakfast foods. B is for bagel with cream. B is for bacon strips. B is for banana pancakes. Here it is my breakfast foods. C is for cereal in a bowl. C is for cinnamon roll. C is for croissant. Here it is my breakfast foods. D is for donut. D is for Danish pastry. D is for tree fruit. Here it is my breakfast foods. E is for egg on toast. E is for English muffin. E is for egg sandwich. F is for French toast. F is for fruit salad. F is for flapjacks. G is for grits. G is for granola. G is for grapefruit. H is for hash browns. H is for honey on biscuits. H is for ham slices. I is for instant oatmeal. I is for iced coffee. I is for Italian toast. J is for jam and bread. J is for juice box. J is for jelly waffle. K is for kettle cooked eggs. K is for kiwi slices. K is for kasha. L is for lemon muffin. L is for lox and bagel. L is for leftover pizza. M is for muffin. M is for milk and cereal. M is for maple syrup. N is for Nutella toast. N is for navel orange. N is for nuts and honey. O is for oatmeal. O is for omelette. O is for orange juice. P is for pancakes. P is for peanut butter toast. P is for pineapple chunks. Q is for quiche. Q is for quick toast. Q is for quinoa waffle. R is for raisin bread. R is for rice porridge. R is for raspberry jam. S is for sausage. S is for smoothie. S is for scrambled eggs. T is for toast. T is for tea. Turi. U is for upside down pancake. U is for udon with egg. U is for ultra smoothie. V is for...
Thank you for watching our videos. We appreciate your time, energy, and effort.